Hi folks, good afternoon. It's Jimi Daodu here, founder and CEO of Voltil. We're live and direct in Dubai at the Museum of the Future, where we are attending and being invited to the Metaverse Assembly, the Dubai Metaverse Assembly Summit 2022. It's been packed with leading thought leaders around the innovation space, around Metaverse, around regulation, around the government, around how we bring this ecosystem and community to life. I am glad and I'm pleased to be here and, collaborating with various industry and thought leaders to deliver what the Metaverse should be like. Thank you. So my name is Jimi Daodu, Nigerian British, moved out here 6 months ago. I'm building a human-centric metaverse. We've gotten a lot of traction. So we're looking at various use cases, but also looking at it as a platform. So connecting the NFT marketplace with avatars. You talked about the open Ahabo. We're building such as well. So looking at self-sovereign identity within the avatar side. And then XR consulting, where we're talking to brands about brand activation, customer acquisition, and then revenue. I know you're talking, you have investments with Animoca and all of that good stuff. So wanted to take this to the next level and see if it's something you're interested. We're actually doing a seed round now, looking for 6 million. So again, wanted to explore how we could talk and see.
Pitch to us. It's a process. The process is super hard. I must warn you.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
We might say no. We say more.
That's fine. Hey, we'll get feedback and we'll move on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So maybe we have other ways to collaborate, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So it could be a POC installation like how you have in Sandbox, for example. Exactly.
I'm not sure. I personally believe in the whole avatar thing.
Yeah.
But I do believe we need to enable interoperable transactions.
Absolutely.
Experiences.
Absolutely.
Seamlessly. So.
And you talked about off-ramp, on-ramp.
Oh yeah, that's what you do.
We've also solved that within our platform. So you could actually buy our tokens with your Visa or MasterCard now. So we're looking at it from a 360 angle, not just, hey, come and buy NFTs.
I know, who wants to do that, right? So
Exactly. Last panel. Were you nervous? A little bit.
Changing culture over